Hello there, how's it going everyone? I hope you are doing well. This is Nikki here and I wanted to come and show you my really cool LED flashlight that I've had for about a year now by LuminTop. Like I said, I have had this for a year. It is so extremely durable, except for one part that I broke, but that was totally my fault, not the company's. But this is a very durable LED flashlight. It can also be used for safety reasons, which I will show. LuminTop. Now the part that I broke, there is a plastic part that goes over this area where you plug it in to charge. That's the part that I accidentally broke off, but it will be on your product. And then of course there is the power button, LED. It comes with a charger and also comes with a carrying case for your light. When you get it, it's going to come in this box. So this is the packaging that is going to arrive in. Ooh. You'll get all your goodies in there too. And here is the piece that I actually, this is the part that I broke off that I need to put back on there. As you can see, it'll boop. So they must be used to people breaking them because they give you an extra. Yay, LuminTop. For people like me. So it does have, like I said, the mini port here for you to charge it back up. And we'll also take a look at the battery. There's the battery that's on the inside. Made in China. Goes in there. But that's really not something that you have to worry about because it's rechargeable. Just wanted to show you. So like I showed you, it's got the micro USB port that's on the side, so you can charge your flashlight through your mobile, a power bank, or another electrical device that's used with a USB cable. It has a removable stainless steel clip that it also has a tube body that allows the clip to change the direction if you want it to. And it has the single button side switch here that allows you to select the brightness, select the low, medium, high, turbo. There are different modes that it can go on, as well as just a regular flashlight. It can go into a strobe, SOS, aviation signal as well. It's very, very cool. I'm going to demonstrate the lights here in a second. It's very, very heavy and durable, made of a really nice steel and hard plastic, extremely durable. It's about 10.6 ounces and it is also waterproof. It's submersible up to 2 meters, and then it's also impact resistant as well for up to 1.5 meters. And when you are ready to charge your LED flashlight, then all you have to do is get your USB cable and just stick it in, and then of course stick the other end into your laptop, your mobile, your whichever charging device you are going to use to charge your flashlight back up. It's very, very easy. There was absolutely no assembly when it came to the products. It arrived just like this in the box, everything pretty much ready to go with its carrying case too. And it has this so you can like clip it onto your pants or onto a pocket or something like that. and very easily slides into a cute little carrying case. And the carrying case is made of really high quality too. I'd say this would be very good. Well, it's just pretty much very good to have in the house, you know, in case there's a power outage and you need a flashlight, and this flashlight is going to last and last and last, much better than the typical flashlight that you would get in the store that you have to keep the batteries in, and then the battery's gonna die, all of that. This like lasts forever, you know, with that LED flashlight. It lasts. Very good too for like a mechanics when you're under the car and you need something really bright to work on the vehicle. Now I'd like to do a quick demonstration of the different modes that your flashlight can be in. So I'm going to cut off the light really quick here. And if you just hold down for 2 seconds, you just get your plain bright light. And hold for 2 seconds, it goes back off. Now if we hold down for 3 seconds, that's when we get the really bright strobe. And it's really, really bright. Hold down for 3 seconds again to cut it off. As you can see, it is a very, very bright flashlight. And I like to have this, especially at night, you know, in case there is someone coming for me, in case that ever happened, I can go ahead, have this. You cut it on for 3 seconds. You saw how bright that was. That flashing in their eyes will blind them temporarily, giving you time to get away. And then of course, it's just good to have as any old regular flashlight to have around the home, to look in dark places, and in case the lights go out or something like that. So that is my really cool LuminTop LED flashlight.